Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today I have come up with a topic from biology and the topic is blood circulation. So let's get started. Now as you can see, I have prepared a flowchart for you all to make you understand about this blood circulation easily. And before this I want to show you something. Basically this is a heart, okay? This heart has four chambers. This is right auricle, this is right ventricle, this is left auricle, this is left ventricle. It has few valves too. This valve is called tricuspid valve, this valve is called semilunar valve, this is also known as semilunar valve, this is the bicuspid valve, and it has a vena cava. This is called superior vena cava, this is called inferior vena cava. It has a pulmonary veins. This is also pulmonary veins, this is a pulmonary artery, and this is the aorta. So these are the few parts of heart which you have to know about blood circulation. So coming back to the flow chart, now let us start. Okay, the process of blood circulation basically starts from the tissue. Okay, considering that this tissue has now deoxygenated or carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, this has carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, now this carbon dioxide rich blood from tissue enters into the venules. What are venules? Venules are the branches of veins. Okay, from these venules the blood travels to veins and then to the vena cava. Now what is vena cava? Vena cava is the largest vein that is present in our body. Okay, so from tissue it goes to venules, then from venules to veins, and from veins to vena cava, and then it enters to the right auricle of the heart. Okay, from this right auricle it now will enter into right ventricle through this tricuspid valve. As I have shown you in the sketch, this through this tricuspid valve the blood will flow to right ventricle, and from this right ventricle again to pulmonary artery through this semilunar valve. Okay, now from this pulmonary artery the deoxygenated blood will go to lungs. Now in lungs we know there are alveoli present, and in alveoli carries oxygen. So by diffusion process this oxygen is transferred to the carbon dioxide rich blood. Now the blood which we have is oxygenated blood that will come from lungs to pulmonary vein. Okay, now this pulmonary vein again from this pulmonary vein again blood. Now the blood is oxygenated blood. Okay, you should know this oxygenated blood will now come and flow towards the left auricle. From this left auricle this will go to left ventricle through this bicuspid valve. Okay, now after going to ventricle this will go to aorta through this semilunar valve, and after aorta it will go to artery, and artery to arterioles. Okay, now this arteriole is again the branch of artery, and this is the branch of artery, and this aorta, this is the largest vein. Okay, this is the largest vein, and after this arterioles this blood will flow to the body, different parts of the body till tissue. Okay, now we started from tissue having carbon dioxide rich blood. Now we left now we again reach to tissue, but this time with the oxygen rich blood. Okay, now this oxygen rich blood will flow to different parts of the body where it is needed. Sorry, this is not largest vein. I'm sorry, largest vein is vena cava. This is the largest artery. Okay, I'm really sorry. This is the largest artery. From this largest artery, this goes to artery and then to arteriole. Okay, so basically this flow chart shows you where in different part of the body deoxygenated blood is present, and where in different parts of the body oxygen rich blood is present. Okay, now you have to remember few things in the sense, see, we all know from this chart only, we can see that all venules, vein, vena cava, these carries what? Deoxygenated blood, that is carbon dioxide rich blood. This vein carries carbon dioxide rich blood, and this artery, see, aorta, artery, arteriole, this carries, artery carries oxygen rich blood. So that means veins always carry carbon dioxide rich blood and artery always carries oxygen rich blood. But there is a exception in this. Exception is, see, this pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery here is artery, we know that oxygen rich blood, but here this pulmonary artery carries carbon dioxide rich blood, and this pulmonary vein carries oxygen rich blood. Okay, so this is one exception which you should notice. So from all these things, questions always comes. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now moving back to the sketch. Now whatever I have said on the flow chart, okay, I will be explaining again in this sketch. Okay, now what I said, that this is the superior vena cava and this is the inferior vena cava. What is the difference between superior and inferior vena cava? Okay, the superior vena cava brings blood from the head and the arm, like from the upper part of the body, this is superior vena cava brings blood, and from the lower part of the body, this vena cava brings blood, like abdomen, leg. Okay, so from this vena cava blood comes and enters here. Okay, from this enters here and it enters here. Okay, what is this? This is the right auricle. Okay, now blood from this right auricle pushes this tricuspid valve and enters to the right ventricle. Okay, now blood comes in this. Okay, blood has come here in this position, right ventricle. Now from this right ventricle, this has to again move to the pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. Okay, and this will push again, this blood will push again this semilunar valve and reach to pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary artery. Now this pulmonary artery will go and connect to lungs. Okay, and in lung, we know alveoli are present which carries oxygen. Okay, which carries oxygen, and the blood which has come from this pulmonary artery, this is carbon dioxide rich blood. And now with the process of diffusion, okay, the process of diffusion, this oxygen will come in this blood and the carbon dioxide will go to this. Okay, with the help of this diffusion process. Now this oxygen rich blood, now this oxygen rich blood will enter here. What are this? These are pulmonary veins. Okay, here, and these are pulmonary veins, and from this pulmonary veins oxygen rich blood will enter to the heart. This is left auricle. Okay, and blood first will enter here and will push this bicuspid valve, and this will get open and blood will come here, and this is left ventricle. Okay, now from this left ventricle the blood will again come and push this semilunar valve, and the blood will enter to the artery, aorta. Aorta is the largest artery present in our body, and from this aorta this blood will go to arteries, various artery, and then to arterioles, and then to the various part of the body. So So this is what blood circulation is all about. Few things you should remember, that right, okay, right part of the heart always carries deoxygenated blood. This right part carries carbon dioxide rich blood, and the left part always carries oxygen rich blood. Okay, see, after lungs only, like after lungs only, this oxygens are coming, oxygen rich blood are coming to the heart. Okay, now one more thing is that uh, our heart made one sound, made sound like love and dub. How these sounds are produced? This lub sound is produced when this tricuspid and bicuspid valve closes, and this dub sound is produced when the semilunar valve closes. Okay, this is produced when tricuspid and bicuspid valve closes, and this is produced when semilunar valve closes. So this is how it is done. So this was all about blood circulation. I hope you find it right, and I think it was helpful for you all. So please do share your ideas, and do share your thoughts about this video, and please share my this video to everyone with your friends, so that they get benefit from this. And yeah, if you want to know anything from me, please do let me know, and please like my share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.